Yes.
Ever?
Yes.
I knew it.
Fakest, I knew it. ever. That's hot. I'm talking about.
Yay!
Yeah.
Thank you for redoing it.
Fucking disappointed.
You look very comfy.
I am very comfy.
When are you going home?
Go fuck yourself.
Sana, stop honking! That's crazy! What is she doing? What? Sursha! Why? What did I do? What? It's been on this entire time! No packs, please. We're gonna have hot dogs! Mustard, I don't want mustard. I said I don't want mustard! Yum, yum.
Do you like it, Sana? Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Mama.
Mama? Arya. I only beep me abusing in the vlogs.
You're a bitch then. Beep beep.
Dura, 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 dura. Careful the camera. Arya, stop it now. Now. Enough! Enough! Sim, listen, do you have a sec?
I have lots of sex.
You didn't say
I have video evidence.
Contract and she said there'll be no physical abuse.
I also want to be a part of this.
Are you mad?
Will you ever stop playing Hey Day?
जोर से बोलना.
Cut, retake. Mana, will you ever stop playing Hey Day?
Never.
In the video, never.
For more curse on humanity along the scale, like like a mid-scale natural disaster. Like it'll wipe out a province in a country.
You at least squish nicely.
I'm just gonna squish me and then that's gonna like squish you even more.
Oh, my refuge. After this, Energy, the coffee brand. What? Get this, MIC could never be taken in a car truck because it's Hollywood.
Marika said that she wants a cat, and then in Mana's brain,
Gotta get cat.
Myra has a couple of jokes for us.
Wait a minute.